Here we are, early March, looking for some of the first signs of spring. Is this the first sign of spring? Not really. This is watercress. It's not a native species. It was brought over by people from Europe when they settled in this country. And it's green all winter long because it grows typically in springs that don't freeze. So there's enough heat from the water to keep them green all year long. They don't grow up very tall during the winter. They stay pretty low to the water. And then as the weather warms up, they'll shoot up taller and flower. They make a good salad. Very nice.